Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. For today's video, for today's video, we're visiting 3 places kung saan at paano nade-develop ang geometric design ng art and beauty ng bawat lugar. Ready na ba kayo?
Arat na!
So as you can see guys, nandito na tayo sa St. Matthias Church, isa sa pinaka-iconic na simbahan sa Isabela.
Bakit nga ba tayo nandito? Akala ko ba yung mga lugar na develop ng geometric design?
Exactly, kasi this church is a perfect example. From outside to inside, puno siya ng geometry na nagpapaganda ng structure at kultura.
Here outside, mapapansin nyo agad yung symmetry. Kung ano yung nasa left, meron din sa right. Parang architectural mirror.
Symmetry creates harmony. Pero sinasabi ng church, everything is balanced, don't fall.
Look at the circles, arches, and rectangular patterns. These shapes gives facade freedom. Sobrang pleasing sa mata.
Of course, their bell tower, super rare sa Pilipinas. Symbol siya ng Spanish Baroque influence plus Filipino craftsmanship.
Wow! As you enter, mapapansin nyo agad na even inside, geometry is everywhere.
Look at the archers lining the interior. They guide your eyes straight to the altar. That's the power of geometric perspective. It directs your attention.
Yung ceiling patterns naman, may repeating lines and curves that add depth and elegance. Para kang nasa loob ng giant geometric artwork.
Even the floor tiles have patterns. Hindi lang siya pampaganda, these geometric tiles help create order and movement inside the space.
And of course, the altar uses vertical lines to make it look taller and more majestic. Geometry helps create a spiritual atmosphere.
So from brick to arches, ceiling details, geometry brings harmony, beauty, and sacred meaning to the church.
Many people ask me, Angelo, ba't ka nag-civil eng? First of all, hindi ako civil eng. ECE ako. And second, hindi ako si Angelo. Hi, I'm Rain. And today, let's talk about the beauty of nature and its geometry. Nature is full of math, and here is a footage of me having fun about math. First, let's talk about the tree. Tignan nyo yung sanga niya. Nagbabranch out siya like V-shape. And in geometry, it is called dichotomous, while yung root niya naman is called spiral. Flower. Look at this pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is called pentagon. Last ay itong damo. Minsan iniisip natin na ang damo ay parang wala lang. Pero look at it. Yung mga last niya is parang triangles.
We're back! This is our last destination. Welcome to the Labra Tumawini, Isabela!
Tumakas na tayo, takasan na natin ang mundo. Magtago papalayo sa mas tahimik at payapang mundo. Umubulong ang hanging amihan at huni ng ibon. Dumudulog at tinatawag na tayo ng bundok.
Handa na ba kayo? Kasi ako, hindi. Pero game na rin. Oh my gosh, ang hangin, ang train. Sana ang ganito lahat ng umaga.
Guys, look around. Para tayong nasa Natural Theme Park na walang entrance fee.
At walang pila at walang nagsasabi na, bawal tumakbo! Bawal tumakbo!
Pero mag-ingat kayo pa rin. Kasi pagkadulas kayo, hindi remind nyo kung sino ang boss.
Guys, look oh, para siyang bato na ginawa ng artist na nalive sa klase. Hoy, that is artistic freedom kaya yan ganyan. Organic, expressive, emotional. Actually, that era.
Hoy, si Jezreel lalabas na naman yung calculator niya.
Kung pwede lang, dala ko sana para makita niyo yung mga angels. Pero real talk, this rock is Mother Nature's masterpiece. Parang hugot, slowly shaped by time.
Uy, Richpel! Hindi lahat ng bagay may hugot.
Meron, ikaw lang ang hindi ready mag-open up. Ay, grabe! Parang may mini water slide, oh!
Ay, kung engineer lang ako, kukupyahin ko to. Natural design, 100% safe.
Pero ang ganda niya guys, para siyang moving sculpture. Water, plus rock, equals shaft keys. Guys, ang lamig, like nyo, parang instant refresh. Feeling ko nag-reset lahat is stress ko.
Guys, tignan niyo tong formation na ito. Parang triangle, pero rectangle. Ewan?
Abstract geometry. Accept mo na.
Ito yung geometry na kahit ma-teacher mo ay mag-give up.
Geometry, don't box me in.
Hoy, sino yun? Nagawa niyo ang target!
Guys, look at the one with the rock. Art installation ako today.
Ayan na naman si Isha, exhibit. A human rock formation.
Guys, ang saya dito. Promise, hindi lang pa-figure it. Parang therapy session, pero conversion. Art lovers, pumunta kayo dito. Thank you to the best deal.
Engineers, geologists, magugustuhan nyo ang natural na structure dito. May mga geometry pero walang stress.
Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At tandaan, find the joy in nature and let the nature find the joy in you. Bye!